In every corner of the city, public restrooms are an indispensable part of our daily lives. But have you ever wondered, are these clean rooms really as clean as they seem? The dirtiness in public restrooms is often due to high traffic use and a lack of sufficient cleaning and maintenance. After each use, bacteria and contaminants may linger on the seat, posing potential health risks. Research has shown that public restroom seats can harbor a variety of bacteria and viruses. While disposable seat covers offer some protection, the manual process of changing them can lead to new contamination. And there's also the ongoing cost of labor and materials for replacing the disposable covers. But now, with the self-lifting toilet seat, we have a completely new solution. This innovative toilet seat design automatically lifts, eliminating the need for contact with the seat and providing true hygiene security. The seat lifts automatically, so men don't need to touch the bottom of the seat to lift it before urinating, preventing any urine from dripping onto the seat and keeping it always clean. The self-lifting toilet seat maintains its automatic lifting mechanism to ensure the sanitary safety of the next user, and most importantly, it operates without any need for electricity or sensors. It's time to rethink our public sanitary facilities. The self-lifting toilet seat is more than just a product, it represents the future of public restroom design, a future that is cleaner and more hygienic. Join us in creating a more sanitary public space. For more information, visit our website. And remember to subscribe to our channel to stay updated on all the latest news and updates.